and we need to quickly talk about interest rates. Have you ever heard somebody say that interest rates are subject to change? Because that is going to be the case here with every single bank on our list. What this means is the interest rate paid on your savings can and will change, except for CDs that are locked in at a guaranteed rate. And the reason this is going to be subject to change is because of something called the federal funds rate, or the interest rate that banks charge each other to borrow money overnight. Banks have a certain amount of money called reserves that they are required to keep on hand, and sometimes one bank has a little bit of extra reserves and one bank is in need of some extra money. Well, the bank that has the extra money can loan it out to the other bank overnight, and the interest rate that's going to be charged is the federal funds rate. The Federal Reserve, or the Fed, is in charge of this rate, and they use this as a tool to either stimulate or cool off the economy. You can think of it like the gas pedal and the brake pedal of the United States economy. Right now, the target rate for the federal funds rate is 4.25 to 4.5%. But the FOMC, or Federal Open Market Committee, will be meeting soon and likely changing this rate. The FOMC meets monthly to discuss this rate, among other things. So just keep in mind as we go forward here that these interest rates are for a snapshot of time here and they will change.